Woohoo! We are in the monorail. We are heading to Magic Kingdom. Here we go. Yay! Didn't record that. Hey, we're on the monorail. Woohoo! Here we go. It is lovely here. I have met many photographers along the way because you know me. I'm trying not to get into people's faces. Let's see if we can do it this way. I'm trying not to lose Arlene as well. So let me do this. It's not horrible. We have 2 rides we know we want to do tonight, maybe one other. And because of the time of day it is, we should be able to go right through the castle, which will save us some transportation time. Now, while the 3 rides we are doing are not my absolute favorite rides, and I would love to do my absolute favorite ride, I did it the last time, so I'm not... Oops, hold on, let me find a curb. I see it.
All right.
So that's one of the things you have to challenge yourself with the ECVs, is you have to, pardon me, I have to go with a flat space. All right, so we're gonna hug the wall and see if we can get up safely, because that's always a challenge. So, late at night, when the fireworks and the shows are done, you can often, oops, I'm not gonna hug the wall right now. You can go through the castle. And if you do go through the castle, there are some beautiful mosaics that tell the story of Cinderella, because this is Cinderella's castle. And it's very pretty. Whoops, nope. Yes, it is very pretty, but look at that. Isn't that lovely? Very pretty. And then in we go. I love the clock. Whoops, I always go the wrong way with this. Sorry. I'm still getting used to it, but I love that clock. Isn't it pretty? And in we go. Now, one of the sides of this has been on repair for a while. So here you've got... What am I looking at? Hold on, I'm not looking at the right thing. Hold on. So these are hand-done mosaics. The gold in them is 24 karat gold. John Hench is the guy, the tall guy, I believe, in that one. I don't remember the other artist. And then it is signed by the artists right down there. Isn't that cool? And, oh, we might be early enough. I wonder. It was too late last time. But let's check if there's a little bit of magic left. No, I think the magic is done for the night. I have a sad. Yep, I have a sad. Oh, well. We'll go and find a small world, because that's what we do. Here we go. I do love this park at night. It is very pretty. You can tell they've just had the fireworks, because there's water all over the ground in the center. That's because some of the fireworks are shot off here and they wet the ground so no one catches in flame. Woo! And the first ride in question for the evening is just ahead of us. And at 10 o'clock, all the special stuff opens up. Sorry I got it late. See the doors open and the times show up and they rotate and turn every 15 minutes. Yep. So this is Arlene's favorite ride. And we are now getting on it. Now they've changed some of the rules. She used to be able to drive on with her ECV. She's not allowed to anymore. So they have to do the traditional wheelchair. Luckily they have ones that are appropriate. So we're gonna do this, and she's gonna stay in. And I don't think she's going into a seat, but I think we're getting there now. So we're gonna wait and let these people tell us what we need to do. that was fun. Now we're going to head out because there's a dark and spooky place we need to go. Won't take you on that road because it's dark. But if a picture comes out, it will go right here. Let's go have some spooky fun. It is 10:19. We got 40 minutes till the park closes. Hi, hold on. So I was just trying to show you, as we move forward, Big Thunder is under construction, as you can see. And I was just looking at the fact that this whole waterway is going to be totally disappearing, as is Tom Sawyer Island. And that boat will no longer be here. And that will be sadness. And then you will have Big Thunder Mountain with its construction. It's going on right now. And then, if you go up into the sky, I don't think you can see it, but Orion is out tonight. And that's awesomeness, too. So, we're in line. It said it was a half an hour when we got into line. We're doing the standby. And we'll see. It was 10:30, 10:22-ish, I guess, when we got online. We figured this will be our last ride of the night. That's fine. The good part is I'm not standing, because I could not do this standing. Even a half an hour would be too much for my body. But sitting is always a useful thing. So, are we having fun?
Yes.
Okay, we're having fun.
But I am.
Yes. Heartbeat, please.
There it goes.
Yep. It's the beat of the heartbeat. When you have to transfer to the ECV and you cannot walk a distance, because I could walk the line normally, I walk in and take the short walk here, but Arlene can't. So what we ended up doing is we walked through the back exit, and then they bring you in at the exit, seat you in a car there where they can totally stop the walkway, and then they move you in. So if you're ever on the ride and you see that happen, that's what's going on. Someone who has a disability, who needs help walking in without getting injured, they're stopping the ride so they can safely get on and off the ride at the exit. The park is closed. We just finished our ride on the Haunted Mansion, and it was a lot of fun. We have just literally, we had 1 minute left. We ran into Memento Mori. She has found a little raven she wants to buy. I'm hanging out outside after doing a walk around. They have a really nice sweatshirt thing in there that was really cool, but I want them to be able to go home, so I was clearing it pretty quickly. Once we're done, we're going to walk out the front, get on a bus on the Riviera, head back to the room, because we've got a long day ahead of us tomorrow. I've got to figure out what foods I still have to eat and what booths we need to go to, and then we have a great night. Oh my God, this has been so much fun. Literally, I worked till 5 o'clock today. And then by 6 o'clock, a little before 6, I was in Epcot. 5 hours, in just 5 hours. Now, we ate a lot of foods. I'd have to count up how many of them there were, because there were a lot of foods. And then, and drinks. And we didn't do any rides at Epcot, because really I was focusing on the experiences. We're going to go back tomorrow and enjoy more of that. And then heading on home to play in the resort. So the other thing is, because we've eaten a lot of the foods tonight, tomorrow we're gonna see some of the topiaries. We're going to enjoy. I like the spooky music in the background, but we're going to see the topiaries. We're going to enjoy the Sensi Garden, the tea gardens, kind of see things like that, and then we're going to have an evening. And with as much as I've eaten, if we start eating at 11 and be done by like 4 or 5, I'm thinking we still might be able to go and grab it. This is the plan. We'll see if it pans out. But I'm thinking we might be able to get a slice of cake at the cake bake shop, because I want to try that. I got the little macarons last time. Macarons. But we really need to do the other piece. So I want to see what that's about. And then macarons, the cake bake. And then we might go to Hollywood Studios, or I don't know. We're going to have fun. But she's got her raven. It's time for us to go home. We're not done yet. Have you guys subscribed yet? I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. It allows me to monetize. It allows me to get better reach. It allows me to post to you guys. It allows me to live stream while I'm here in the park and do things like that, which I can't do right now. So if you can help out, I'd appreciate it. Now, we're going back to the resort. Here we go. Ta-da!
I believe he's the one thing that I mostly wanted to get and was hoping they had it.
Oh, it's the rating. So that's the moon, guys. Arlene thinks that at 3 a.m. tonight it's going to be a blood moon, which would be kind of awesome. We are now actually, if you can tell by the music, in Liberty Square because it's so patriotic at 11 o'clock at night, which seems kind of off. We are heading out. They directed us. We couldn't go through Fantasyland. We couldn't go through Frontierland. They're literally pushing us through to the hub. We were looking for a restroom, and they said the closest is Casey's Corner. They're looking for... That is a beautiful, beautiful shot of the castle. Can we pull over for a sec so we can get a couple pictures? Well, that was a fun evening. Wasn't that a fun evening?
It was a wonderful evening.
It was.
Yay.
We ate lots of food. We enjoyed Epcot and saw tons of topiaries. Then came over here. We have taken a Skyliner. We have taken a monorail. We're now going to take a bus. We've been in 2 parks. We read 2 rides. Our favorite ride, well, my almost favorite rides. Her favorite rides. And some of my ones I really, really like. We got tons of pictures. Well, I got tons of pictures. She's patient with me. Here's some of them now. And we're headed back to the resort. Bus ride, not particularly exciting. There might be a view of the room. There might not be. If I don't do it, hey, if you've enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Oh, and for the lovely family that I met who have subscribed, thank you so much. It was so nice meeting you. I hope you enjoyed our conversation. I certainly did. So if you haven't done so already, please remember to like, share, subscribe. You know, all the good stuff, none of the bad stuff. And don't forget the... I don't have a tagline. Singing hey ho, a maiden's life, 1, 2, 3. Hey ho, a maiden's life, won't you drink with me?